Listening, Unit 4, page 23, B.
Look at the 6 sentences for this part. You will hear a conversation between a girl, Kate, and a boy, Charlie, about Kate's time at university. Decide if each sentence is correct or incorrect. Write T, true, or F, false.
It's good to see you again after so long.
Yes, it's been ages. So now summer is nearly over. Are you looking forward to your final year at university?
Oh yes, definitely. I think it will be a great year. I really love it there. What about you?
Well, my 2 university years so far have been very different, so I don't know how this year will be.
Oh, okay. So what was your first year like?
In my first year, I studied very hard. I was very keen on being a good student and to get good grades. I was studying all the time, either at home or in the university library. As you know, I was living at home in my first year. With my parents, which I now think was a big mistake.
No. Really? Why?
I really do. Well, the result was that I made hardly any friends in the first year. At first, I didn't mind that, because as I said, I was concentrating on my studies, and I was devoted to my subject, the history of art. I was also rather shy, and I'd always found it difficult to meet new people and make friends. However, towards the end of my first year, I started hearing from all our school friends about how much fun they were having at their universities, and what great friends they had made and new activities they'd been doing.
I guess you started to realise that you were missing out on a lot.
Exactly.
So that's when you moved into a big house with other students, right?
Yes. The biggest decision I had to make was where to live for my second year. At first, I found it difficult to break the ice with the other students in the house I found, and I was nervous. But they were kind and helpful. We were all strangers when we met, but we soon discovered that we had a lot in common, and we all get on really well. I met other friends through them, and I became much more communicative in general.
I imagine your university life has been completely different since then.
Definitely. I still study hard and enjoy my subject, of course, but I've been going out a lot more, and I belong to a couple of clubs. I've taken up some new activities like dancing and horse riding. I've made a lot of great friends too. For the last year, I've been a different person, and I'm so much happier. My advice to all students is, live with other students from the very first year, and don't be shy. Remember that everyone feels the same when they don't know anybody, so don't hold back. Smile, and talk to everyone, and see how much fun you can have.